Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own avatar on Messenger. So in here, I've already on the Messenger app, and I'm going to start by clicking on the three lines icon at the top left corner, and then here go to the settings, click on the gear icon, scroll down until you find the avatars settings in here under the preferences section. So tap on avatar. So this is the example of the Messenger avatar, and if you want to make your own, you can just click on make your avatar. So first you can choose a skin tone for your avatar. For example, I'm going to go with this color right here. Tap on next and choose the hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Tap on next, choose the hair color. Tap on next, and now choose the body shape. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on next again, and now select the outfit. So you can choose the one that describe you the best. So you can scroll down until you find the right outfit. So I'm going to just use probably okay, just this one. Click on done. After that, now this is the avatar. The avatar has been created, and here you can show off your avatars you look with profile updates. So you can click on next again. So here is the avatar, and if you want to, you can click on the stickers icon at the top to see the stickers that Messenger or Facebook created based on your avatar. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.